All right, so this past weekend, Chris was in town. Chris Zahner, the owner and designer of the Zooz. He brought the ULTRAFLEX 1200 so that we can test ride it, the New York City Zooz Club. So everyone got a spin on it. I got some video and a little bit of everyone's first impressions and some of their quotes and thoughts about the bike. So I put together a little video of that so that you guys can get their first impressions, my first impressions, and I want you to stay tuned to this channel because I'm going to do a full review of it next, and you'll be able to get a sense of whether this bike is for you, which if you like comfort and you like style and you like aggression, this is the bike for you. It's awesome. So I hope you enjoy this. Check it out. What's up, everyone? Chris Zahner, the owner and creator of Zooz, is here. He has a couple of new models, the UF1200, on site for us to test ride. We're meeting at the House of Machines, which is right up here, my hood. Everyone's meeting there at noon. I want to get there a little early just in case. I know there's some people coming in from out of town. We got, I would say, probably around 20 people I think that I know are coming. Should be a fun day. I'm really psyched for it. And who knows, maybe I'll get one of these 1200s. We'll see. There's going to be 2 sales reps there, so there's a chance that people will be buying on site. Here we go. There it is.
Yeah, I mean, it feels very hot. It feels good though.
It looks good.
It feels like a supermoto.
Our plan with these ULTRAFLEXes is that Brett and I, best case scenario, wouldn't ride them at all today. So we want people to get as much seat time, go try it out, go try it out. We didn't bring our air tags. I don't expect that anybody's going to take off with it. But like demos here where people go out of sight, like it's just, I don't think that's going to be an issue. But during the ride, what I'm thinking is just switch off. And then I've got their bike.
Right.
Well, I want people to get the experience of it.
I think it looks cool down there.
That is the only thing. The swing arm went through many evolutions, but the technical aspect of it is that way from the beginning.
All right, first ride, first test spin on the UF1200. This thing is so comfortable. It's insane. It sits about 3 inches higher off the ground. Man, the bumps, you can't even feel the bumps anymore. My MO with bumps is like prepare for them by standing up on my OG Zooz. But this one, you can aim at the bumps. It's insane that the comfort, the smoothness, the grippiness of the tires. Wow, this thing is another level. And you know, I've ridden the Super 73 before, and you know, that has the full suspension and everything, but it's garbage compared to this. I hate to talk bad about another e-bike company, especially one that I like and the people are cool, but this is this is like night and day. Holy crap. Wow. Yeah, this is nuts. I gotta get one of these. 100% gotta get one of these. This is easy for 2-up. You can easily put someone on the back of this. Very cool.
Love it. Love this thing. If you get a chance to try one, make sure you do it. How you like it, Carlos?
Look, it takes off. All right.
You gotta try this.
It's so awesome. I love it.
I'm literally riding like butter right now.
Yeah. It's so comfortable.
Yeah. I was telling Carlos, I'm like, dude, I might just sell my Zooz and get this instead now. A couple hours late.
Tyrone, I'm taking the big boy.
Man.
We're trading.
I'm riding your bike?
One of the 4 Zooz bikes that came with. Except not this one. Back on the UF 1200. Oh, these brakes feel just right. I love this bike, man. I love it. Feels like king of the world on this thing. Really nice. Oh, that feels so good, man. You can just jump on this thing. So cool. Feels so good, this bike. I think I might have to bring it home. Bombing up 11th Street, Long Island City. Got Chris riding my bike right in front of me. I'm riding the new UF 1200. Thing is a dream. Thank you. Oh yeah, that curb is nothing on this bike. Wow. That curbs are nothing, man. So cool. Oh yeah. I keep forgetting I don't have to avoid the bumps. What a nice ride this is, man. So nice. Yeah, electric.
How much did it cost to build one out?
No, you buy them on like, start from like 2 and up.
getting it?
I love it. Yeah.
You selling this when you leave?
This is sick. I love it. I love this bike.
Are you on that now? Should I take the flex?
Yeah, take the flex. Yeah. We good?
It's all on you, baby.
All right. Off to Roosevelt Island for a quick rip around by the lighthouse. I love the fenders on that thing, Chris. So cool.
Also took a while.
I bet.
Shape right.
Yeah.
Shape or favorite shape? No, but do they work? Yeah.
Nicely integrated though.
I'm proud of the bottom mounting point on the rear.
Oh yeah.
Where's the airport?
Off-roading.
I got kind of cool. Like they good money.
So that's it. That's my first impressions video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And one last thing, come down to the House of Machines on Wednesdays for the all-electric meetup. I'll be there. I'll have the ULTRAFLEX there. You can give it a test ride if you want. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think of it. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, and tell your fucking grandma. More to come on this bike. Don't miss out.